Welcome, learners. Before we begin, will you please take a deep breath with me and let it out slowly? Ready? And let it out. What did we just breathe in? Yes, air, but I wonder if I breathed in anything else, like air pollution. Yuck! Hi, I'm Mrs. DeFauw. According to National Geographic, air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the air that can harm the health of humans, animals, and plants. It also damages buildings. There are many kinds of pollutants, or types of pollution in the air, such as odors, dust, and smoke. The purpose of today's lesson is to learn about air pollution and craft a professional letter to Michigan's Air Quality Division to thank them for their hard work in keeping our air clean. Let's read another passage. According to the Environmental Health Research to Action Foundation, or EHRA, air pollution is the main cause of climate change. As air pollution worsens, the Earth's atmosphere changes. The greenhouse effect is when heat from the sun is trapped in the Earth's atmosphere due to pollution. This causes a rise in global temperatures, which leads to changes in climate patterns all over the world. I learned a lot, and to make sure I understand it well, I need to put this in my own words. Let me model how I'll restate or paraphrase by talking about the topic. I understand climate change is a huge concern for the entire world. I didn't know that air pollution is the main cause. So air pollution isn't good for you and me. It's not good for the Earth either, because heat from the sun can't escape through pollution. The National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences stated, air pollution is a familiar environmental health hazard, or something dangerous. We know what we're looking at when brown haze settles over a city, exhaust billows, that means rises or rolls, across a busy highway, or a plume rises from a smokestack, like we see in the image on the webpage. Some air pollution is not seen, but its pungent smell, oh, that's really strong and gross, alerts you. Does your brain feel like it might explode after reading all of that information? Mine too. So let's work together to talk through what we learned. Air pollution is? Yes, dangerous. Sometimes we can see air pollution and sometimes we can smell it. When we see air pollution, we might see, what do you think? Yes, a brown haze or smoke. In Michigan, we have an air quality division. When Michigan residents have a concern about air pollution, they may reach out to the Air Quality Division through a survey. Reading information about air pollution motivates me to take action. Like author and literacy advocate Pam Allen says, reading is like breathing in, writing is like breathing out. I breathed in or inhaled by reading more information to understand air pollution. Now I want to exhale through writing a letter to the Air Quality Division. I would like to thank them for their impact on the policies that promote clean air. Let's craft a letter to thank this team for their hard work in keeping our air clean. Letter writing is a genre or category of writing. So when we think of genres of text, we might think of fantasies, realistic fiction, or biographies. Letters are a type of genre that follows a set of rules. What are the rules for writing a professional thank you letter? As the writer or author, I include my professional address in the upper right-hand corner. On the left-hand side, I begin with the recipient's address. For our example, the Air Quality Division is our recipient because they are receiving our letter. How should we start our letter? Here's one way we could start the letter. Dear Air Quality Division, now we think about what we want to say. Because we've been reading about the topic, I want the Air Quality Division to know what I learned. We've been reading about air pollution. We learned a lot about the pollution people see and or smell. We understand air pollution is very dangerous. It's a hazard for people, plants, and animals. Now I think I need to specify some of the hazards. Air pollution can make it challenging to breathe. People, plants, and animals can also get sick from pollutants. This is a thank you letter, and I want to be specific. We want to thank you for the work you do to help us to have clean air. We appreciate how you help businesses to know what they can do better to help air quality. We also thank you for serving the community through your hard work. The Air Quality Division does so much to help us, and I want to help them too. What about you? What could we do? Let's write a bit more. Air quality is so important, and all of us must do what we can to not pollute the air. One step we hope to take is more steps. We plan to walk more than drive whenever possible. And now we have to close our letter. Since we've already said thank you, I am going to use a different closing. Sincerely, Mrs. DeFauw and the Read, Write, Roar learners. When we read, it's like breathing in that information to feed our brains so we can learn. When we write about our reading, we exhale all that we've learned through our writing, discussion, or reflection. Air pollution is a very important topic to learn about now so that our future actions can help improve the quality of what we breathe in today and tomorrow.
Thank you for joining us. If you want more fun ways to practice literacy skills, don't forget to subscribe to the Michigan Learning Channel. And be sure to check the description below for links to activity guides, resources, and more.